Welcome to this comprehensive review of the Beats Fit Pro 2 earbuds. These earbuds have been making waves in the market, and we are here to break down exactly why they have garnered so much attention. We will delve into the key features and performance aspects that make these earbuds a compelling choice for music lovers and fitness enthusiasts alike. Whether you're hitting the gym, going for a run, or simply enjoying your favorite tunes at home, these earbuds promise to deliver an exceptional experience. Throughout this review, we'll explore the design, audio quality, noise cancellation, battery life, and other essential factors. We'll also touch on the comfort and fit, which are crucial for long-term use, especially during intense workouts or extended listening sessions. Our goal is to provide you with all the information you need to make an informed decision. By the end of this review, you'll have a clear understanding of whether the Beats Fit Pro 2 earbuds are the right choice for you. Let's dive in and explore what these earbuds have to offer. The Beats Fit Pro 2 earbuds boast a secure and comfortable fit, ensuring they stay in place even during the most intense workouts. Their lightweight design further enhances comfort for extended wear. The inclusion of multiple ear tip sizes ensures a personalized fit for a wide range of users. The earbuds also come in a variety of stylish color options to match your individual preferences. Prepare to be immersed in rich, high-fidelity audio with the Beats Fit Pro 2. These earbuds deliver powerful bass, crisp highs, and a well-balanced soundstage. The active noise cancellation effectively blocks out external distractions, allowing you to focus on your music. Whether you're listening to your favorite tracks or taking calls, the audio quality is exceptional. Section 4. Active noise cancellation and transparency mode control your soundscape. The Beats Fit Pro 2 earbuds excel in providing a customizable listening experience. The active noise cancellation technology effectively minimizes background noise, creating an immersive audio environment. Conversely, the transparency mode allows you to stay aware of your surroundings when needed, making it safe for outdoor activities. Section 5. Battery life and connectivity. Power through your day. The Beats Fit Pro 2 are designed to keep up with your busy lifestyle, ensuring you stay connected and entertained throughout the day. Enjoy extended listening sessions with the impressive battery life of the Beats Fit Pro 2. Whether you're on a long run, working at your desk, or just relaxing at home, these earbuds have you covered. These earbuds provide up to, insert battery life from official website, hours of playtime on a single charge, allowing you to enjoy your favorite music, podcasts, or audiobooks without interruption. With the charging case extending the total listening time, you can go even longer without needing to find an outlet. The case is compact and easy to carry, making it perfect for travel or daily commutes. The earbuds also feature a quick charge function, which is incredibly convenient for those moments when you're in a rush. Providing up to an hour of playtime with just a few minutes of charging, this feature ensures that your music is always ready when you are. Never miss a beat with the reliable and efficient Beats Fit Pro 2. Section 6. Verdict, an exceptional audio companion. The Beats Fit Pro 2 earbuds are a fantastic choice for anyone seeking a premium audio experience. These earbuds are designed to cater to the needs of both casual listeners and audiophiles alike. With their sleek design and advanced features, they stand out in the crowded market of wireless earbuds. Their combination of comfort, audio quality, noise cancellation, and battery life makes them an excellent value proposition. The ergonomic design ensures a snug fit, making them perfect for extended use, whether you're working, exercising, or just relaxing. The audio quality is top-notch, delivering crisp highs, rich mids, and deep bass. If you're looking for earbuds that deliver exceptional performance in all areas, the Beats Fit Pro 2 are definitely worth considering. The noise cancellation feature is particularly impressive, allowing you to immerse yourself in your music or podcasts without any distractions. Plus, the battery life ensures you can enjoy your audio for hours on end without needing to recharge frequently. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to GadgetVox for more in-depth tech reviews and analysis. Stay tuned for our upcoming videos where we dive deeper into the latest tech gadgets and innovations. Your support helps us bring you the best content possible. Thank you for watching.